Hey there YouTube, Mike Armstrong here. Welcome to this week's episode. This week I'm trying to figure out a better armature for this sculpture here. A couple of weeks back as I started to load up this armature with clay, it got too heavy and bent the frame itself. So I'm trying to figure out a way to lighten the load. Unfortunately, my model wasn't able to make it today, so I ended up doing a sculpt of my feet. Turns out sculpting your feet isn't a whole lot of fun, but I did learn what I needed to learn about the sculpture. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. It was a resounding success from my end. The foam made for a dramatically lighter sculpture. The foam is also flexible enough, so if I wanted to move the sculpture in any different direction, I could re-sculpt that around after that adjustment. And if I had really stuffed it up and I needed to cut away some foam, I could do that too, and then pack it in with clay and continue sculpting away. So I think the foam's going to be a keeper, and now I'm ready for the next test before cracking on again with a half-scale figure. If you enjoyed this week's episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks very much, and I'll catch you next week.